Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 296 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out these LA Colors bronzers that I got from my Dollar Tree recently. So these seem to be new to my Dollar Tree and I picked it up in both of the colors that they had because I just couldn't decide which one to get. I have Sun Goddess here and Bronzed Beauty, and this one looks more cool toned, this one looks warm toned, but they're both only $1, so I decided to just get both of them. But they had so many of these at my Dollar Tree and it seemed like a new product there, and it was also mixed in with some highlighters, which I also picked up and I'm excited to try out in another future video. So they both look very shimmery. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them both. Oh my gosh, these are very shimmery to the point where they actually kind of look metallic. This one here is the warm tone, the Bronzed Beauty, and this looks like copper metallic. It's really beautiful, but doesn't necessarily seem like what I would use for a bronzer. And the more cool tone shade also looks like a metallic copper shade now that it's swatched. So this is Sun Goddess and this is Bronzed Beauty. You can see that metallic shine that both of them have. Both of these do seem to have really beautiful pigment though, so I know that they would be beautiful as eyeshadows. Both of the colors I would love to use in eyeshadow looks, but they're supposed to be bronzers, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my face and we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna start out using the Sun Goddess, more cool toned shade. Wow, yeah. A lot of pigment, and I feel like I went in with like hardly any product on the brush. But really nice pigment. It does blend out very nicely. It's looking smooth on the skin. Let's go in with a little bit more. But I'm not so sure that I'm loving this shine. Yeah, there are LA Colors bronzers that I like a lot more than this because this is just too shiny for me. It really does just look like so much shimmer on my face. Now let's try the warmer tone on my other cheek. Yeah, this one is performing the exact same way where it just looks so sparkly. I mean, nice pigment, blending out well, but it's just not the look that I want to go for. It doesn't look very natural because it looks like so much shimmer. I do prefer the warm toned shade on my skin though. Okay, so here is the look with the bronzer. And although it's pretty, I don't like it as a bronzer, but I am definitely going to use this in eyeshadow looks, so it's not going to waste. I really liked how it swatched applying with my finger, but it also blended out really easily with a brush, so I can use my finger to apply it to my eyelids, or I can use a brush and blend it out really well. So at least I'm still going to get good use out of these, but I'm not going to continue to use these as bronzers. So although these were not great bronzers in my opinion, at least they were each only $1, so I don't feel like I wasted much money on them. And I do have a lot of other bronzers that I really like, even some LA Colors bronzers like the LA Colors Contour Kit. I really like the bronzer in that one. If you want to see my review on that product, I will link it down below. So if you're looking for an LA Colors bronzer, I would recommend that one instead because it is matte. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.